Hello everyone, once again I welcome you. Gradually we are approaching the end of our class. Yes, I want to congratulate you in advance for your determination, for your perseverance, and your comportment this far. Now, the dashboard, I'll be teaching you two, but we'll complete one. So, what I expect you to do is that make a copy of this application first. Make a copy of this one. So first of all, make a copy of it. Okay, make a copy of it, because you'll be designing, you are going to design two dashboard, but one for each file. Okay, one for each file. But this is what I mean. We're going to design one which we use to complete the lesson, and after you complete the lesson, we will do the other one. Okay, so the one that you prefer, you can use it. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's continue. I believe your login form is working perfectly. Your login form is working perfectly. It should be working perfectly. I believe so. Yes, it should be working perfectly. Mine is working perfectly, so I expect your own to also work perfectly. Okay. Some people can even add images to the background over here, but I want to make it just something simple. I know I'm a simple guy. So we want to create a dashboard. So first of all, go to create, or better still, go to be on the school detail table. The school detail table be here, and go to create, and let's create a blank form. Okay, a blank form. Let's name it Control X to save. Let's name it dashboard. Okay, dashboard, and click on OK. Now open it in design view. Then we can expand this. If you're okay with like this, you can expand it like that. Okay, let's expand it. Now let's go to design, and let's go for a rectangle. So let's draw a nice rectangle here. Okay, then from the rectangle, go to format. Okay, go to format, go to fill color, and I'll prefer my favorite color. You can go for more colors if the color that you're looking for is not available here. Okay, or you can go to the internet and look for the Heza code of that color and paste it here. Immediately you paste it here, it will appear here. Okay, you have the so I prefer my color. Prefer this color. Let me see. Let me go for this one. Let me see this one. No. Let me look for a different color. I don't like this color at all. Let me see. Okay. Maybe I prefer this one. This one is a little bit brighter. I prefer. Then go to design and look for a label. Draw a label here which will display the name of the school. Undo. Okay, let's do it like this. Label. Let me draw it here. Is it label? I don't believe it's label. Let me undo. Okay. Let's use a text box. Let's use a text box. So click here, right click here and delete this one. Okay, so go to the property field, the property sheet, and go to data. But before that, put the record source, the data source to be. So I hope you see what I've done. Hope you see what I've done. Go to data and then click here. Then we are going to use this formula which you are very familiar with, the D lookup. So the D lookup. Then you bring your double quotation. In that we are going to, let's look at, open the app, go to tables. It will be located in the school details. So it will be here. That's the school name. You want the school name to appear. So what I'll do is to delete the expression. This expression. Delete all this. Then comma, double quotation. And what we are looking for, the full name is located in the TBL underscore school detail. School details. Click on OK. Let's select it. Go to format and choose transparent. The shape outline also transparent, but the color, would it, you want a white color, and increase the font size. Let's view it and see. So it displays the name of the school. Okay, the school that you have given. So let's see the way forward. Let's come here, go to design view, and then put it at the middle. Okay, if you want to put it in uppercase, you can do that. If your school name is not in, so UCase, then you close the bracket. So that it will be in capital letters. If you're okay with the arrangement and everything, if you are now, let's do something here. We want to lock it, so enable, say no, and then lock, you say yes, so that when it is in form view, you cannot select it. Okay, that's correct. Now let's go to design view. Now we want to bring an existing field, so add existing field. Which table? We want to bring the school detail table, and we want the school logo to appear, so we are going to put it here. So come here and delete this one. So select this one. Make it so big. Okay. Okay, so let's view it and see. Okay, so this is a school logo. So here, let's go to design. Okay, go to arrange. Okay, property, go to design, property sheet. And then the picture size mode, put it as stretch. And then that bar color, transparent bar, is also put it on transparent. So put that transparent. Okay, so no, I don't like that, so I'll undo that. The border style, put it, you can give it you can put it on transparent, or you can make it a dash, so it depends on you. Okay, so be creative here, you can do it as a dot, it depends on you, but I would prefer to put it at transparent. Okay, so to you, whatever you feel like doing, you can do it. Okay, if you prefer a solid color, then you go for the borders size. Okay, if it is what you prefer, then you do it as you prefer. Okay, so yeah, you can add a special effect. You can so you can do what you can do it as a shadow. So this is something like this. So yeah, I'm giving you the freedom to explore and do some changes as it suits you. It suits your needs. Okay, now since we are done, let's go back to design view. Now we can close here. Now we can expand here, and then you select this to also increase the size. Now we want to easy navigate to our system. There are a lot of ways to do that. That's why this is the part one of the dashboard, and the part two I'll do the video and then I'll show it to you. But this one. So the part one, you're going to draw a command button. So go for a button. So draw the first command button. And then it's a form. So go to form operation. We want it to open a form. So click on next. Which form do you want to open? I want to open the English. So open the form and show all records. So next. So if you have a picture of the English subject, you can what browse to add a picture. But if you don't have, you go for text. So yeah, I'll just say English. I want to see a beautiful dashboard. I want you to see how innovative and creative you are. And I know people will come out with a very good design, which is better than my own. So yeah, click here and go to format. I want to change the color. I want to use this color. And then the text color will be white. And I want to bold it. So how many subjects is that? If we go to the subject, I believe we are doing about 10 subjects. Yeah, 10 subjects. This for GSS. So you are doing 10 subjects. Okay, so we're going to do for all that. So you have done it. If you're okay with the distance, the size and everything. Okay, if you are okay, then Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. So this is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me delete one. Let me delete this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me bring down. Then Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Then I'll bring this one to the side. If they are on. So now I'll click here and go to design and go to property sheet. Okay, and go to event. No, go to the guy is being confused. Click here. Okay, I've gotten it. Come here and go to format. Change here to mass. Somewhere mass. So come here. Science. In science, what? Social. Computing. So the computing, I have to reduce the size since that it is too long. So let me give it 10. Okay. This will be creative art, creative. So I creative RME. This one will be career. This one will be French. And this one will be Ghana language. If if come to the mass and go to event and click on the 3 dots over here. Yeah, it's mass. So change here to mass. So change to mass and click on save and then closed. So come here. Science, you do for science. Right click here, select here and select for science. I don't have science, so I haven't created it for all the subjects. So for you, I expect you to do it for all the subjects. I hope you get me. So you can add a message board to it. There are a lot of things you can do here. So if you know what you want, you can do whatever you want. Yes. So let me see. So shall you do it for all of the subjects? Change their names to suit the forms. Okay. To suit their forms. Okay. If you're done, you save. So I've done French. So let me go for French. So this is, you'll change it to French. To be French. Maybe I want to give a message box. What's the name of the message? So what is the title of the message? So yeah, French. I can write something. Just be creative. French form has opened. So I just write French. Message French. And then it should be an information title. So French opens. French. I just want to. So it depends on you, okay? So let me change it to form view. I have to work on this one. So when I click on French, it will say French. So the French will be opened. Okay. So you have the creativity all to yourself and whatever you want to achieve. Okay. So let me move to this side and select here and expand it well so that it can cover that. So take your time and do it nicely. I can also format it. I will select the whole of this. If I hover over it, what is to be the color? If I hover over it, what color should it come? Let's see. I say yellow. So let's see if I click. Let me go to form view. You see. So you can be a little bit creative here. So if you hover over it, this is the color. You see that when I hover over it, it's giving me this color. Okay, if I hover over it, is the yellow color good? I'm using the color preference from this logo over here. That is why. If I'm okay with that, so if you want to achieve that, you just click here and you go to what? Hover color. And then when you press on it, what should happen? You have hover font color and a whole lot of things are here. A whole lot of things are here. Then we can also let me see. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. So let me close this place for now. Now let me take a rectangle and just try to be creative. Just try to be creative. and do something nice. Okay. I want it to be in line with this one. Okay, so go to font format, and then we would like the shape field to also be this color. No. That is not what we want. The shape field should be transparent, and then the shaped outline, we want it to be this color, and then click here, we want it to be this double, and then we want it to be a dash. This one, let's view it here. So it depends on you. If you want to leave it like that, it means that I have to remove the so I have to select the whole of this and bring it down, select this one and go to the effects, the outline. I'll put it at transparent, the shape field also transparent. Then I have to go to design, go to existing field, and then I have to change this, the special effect. I'll change it to I change it to flat. Let me see. So it depends on you, on what you want to do. Okay. So let me see again. So there are a lot of things you want. It should display as an image or so. So let me display it in layout view. Let me see something. We want to lock this one so that the person cannot select it. So we go to and click on yes. Then click on no. So when we change it to font view, you cannot select it. Okay. We can display, we will put one button here which will close this form for us, as we did to. So let's go to we also add the various reports, the query are not needed here. Okay, we only need the report. So here you enter the student details, and then what do you need here? We need the registry. We need the registry here. Okay, the registry is supposed to be here, so that when you click on it, this is the dashboard, so you can easily navigate. So let's look at that. Okay, let's look at that. Let's click here. We have created a form called registry. It's here. So let's just copy this, Control Control C, and then Control V to Control S, Control C, then you come here, Control V. Let me see. Sometimes you can copy it and then it will be hidden. See where it's hidden. So I've seen it now. So it's hidden here. So I'll just bring it back. Bring it here. So yeah, I'll click here. Registry. So for the registry, we can even bring an icon. Okay, you can bring an icon. It depends on you. You can bring an icon. You can bring an icon. Depends on you how you want it to look like. So yeah, I'll click here and go to event and click on the 3 dots. Then here I'll select what? Registry. Then I click on save and I close. I also need the school details, so Control C, Control V. So here, school details. So here, I can resize this one. I can resize it. So if I click here, go to the 3 dots and then select here the school details. You can even add a message box, but I don't want to do that. So that what else do you need? You also need a report. You need a report. Okay, you need a report because you'll be printing you will need the reports. But for the report, you can create a different a dashboard for it. Okay, you can create a different dashboard for it, so that you create it you create it like this. So here, instead of that, I will go to the design and set the command button. Then I'll go to record, form operation. Then I want to say what? Open reports. Open reports. So click on. Then which report do you want to open? For now, I want to open terminal reports. So click on. Do you want a name? If you have a picture, you can use so terminal report. The format. Click on format printer and select this one. It seems okay. They are of the same size. I want to see if they are of the same size. Okay. So these are the 3 things we need here. We will create a button whereby that button will send us to a certain form. Okay, before that, we'll see, this is what I want you to do. I will not do that in the video for you, but I will tell you what to do. Okay, now design a different form and then you create the buttons for all the broadsheets. I mean the reports, all the reports. All the reports broadsheets. All the report broadsheets, because you can print it. Okay, you can print it. So what you do is that you create a different form, and then on that form you have the report broadsheets. So you create a button over here. So when you click on that button, it will send it to that form. On that form, then you have something like this, so that you can click on it. I hope you are getting me. I hope you are getting me. I hope you are getting me. So I believe, let's view our form to see how it is looking like. So let's go to design view, select the whole of this form, select of this form, and then what's the caption? Dashboard. We want a single form. Yeah, we want a single form. We want it to be the picture size move forward. Okay, select here. Now we don't want the scroll bar. So the scroll bar, will put it neither. The border size, we want to resize it. We want it to be a dialog. Okay, and the record selected, we don't want them. The navigation button, we don't want them. The control box, we don't know. We want the close button. Yes. Okay, let's look at how it will look like. So you can put a label here, developed by. Okay, you can also put something here to make it nice. Okay, you can also do some design. So let's see. I leave the rest to you. So let's go for a label. Developed by Constech Academy. So click here. I want to put it at the middle. So go to format, bold it. I want to give that color. Let me see how it look like. So I'll remove this. A new idea has come. So select this. Select this and send it to this side. Calm down. Let me see how it look like. Let me look at that front view. So select it to the side. So move this one up. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit beautiful. So select this and send it. Let me see how it is looking. Okay. Let me put that layout view and see. Okay. No. I don't want this. Select the whole of if I cannot select the whole of this. If I'm in this mode, I cannot select the whole of that. Yeah, so I want to push this one a little bit down. So it depends on you. You can give a different color to this one. Yeah, you can give a different color if you like. Okay. Now I want to add a special effect to this one. Okay. Okay, so I want to put in design view again. Now you can add that effect I was talking about. I want to add it now. So it is depending on that special effect. Let me see. I don't want it. So let me give it a border color. Okay. How for do? Okay. So select it, and then I can select the special effect, the shadow. See shadow. No. Shadow will be okay. And the shadow. Okay. So now let's add one last thing. As I told you that you are supposed to work on the other dashboard and one form which will contain the school details and the reports. The report list for easy navigation. So now also all the forms that you have created, the English form, you have to create a button for the dashboard. You have to put on the dashboard. So yeah, you try to put a dashboard somewhere. I hope what I'm saying, I don't know if I get any. try to locate somewhere and put the dashboard. A button, when they click, it can goes to the dashboard. I hope you are getting me. You're going to do it for all the forms. Okay. So let me teach you what I meant. Go to design. Then go to command button. So for me, I'll draw. I ask you to do a lot of things. Yes, some people can even put delete buttons and all those things. So click a button, then it will go to form and say open a form, and that form you want to open a dashboard. So I want to use the access picture. So this case I'll use a small icon. Select this. Okay, so if I view this form in sorry, when I click here, a minute, let me work on it now. Yeah, it's do you know it's supposed to open because I am, let me save this dashboard and close this dashboard for you because I'm working with it. So let me close it. So now if I'm here and then I click on it, you see that's open the dashboard. Yes. I'm coming. Let me go back again. So let's put a button here. But before that, let me go back to design view and do some settings. Let me come to here. All this. So make the pop-up say, put a pop-up, say yes, and then modal, say yes. Okay, so now let's look at it so that you can resize it. You're going to hide all these things, so don't worry. Okay. Now let's add one thing. Open the login. Put it at design view. You see that the captions over there is not making it look nice. So I'll go and remove it. All this. Let me go to format. And I'll remove it. Now copy, select this, Control C to copy. I'm going to paste it on the dashboard. Is it? I'm going to put it here. So let me view it. Let me put it at layout view, so that I can easily shift. No, undo. Okay. Okay, let me. Okay. So that when I click on it, it will close the form. You see that it has closed the form. We want to open it again. Use it here. So the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Now right click here, go to design view, and let's close the space. You see this space now. Let's close it. So let's view it for the last time. The distance is too big. I want to resize it. Okay, so let's view it and see. Okay, so something like this. So that is all. We'll stop here, and there's one thing I want us to work on, and then let's go back to the login and select here. Now right click here, right click and go to design view. I thought I was removing the caption, so select the whole of this. Okay. So we still need the caption, so login. That's right, login there. Now come to this place and go to event, then go to click on the three dots. We want to, so that when the criteria is met, it should open the dashboard. Okay, open the dashboard. So let's run this. Let's save our work. So I'll enter immediately. I click on the login, it will open the dashboard. So that's correct. So we'll stop here and we'll continue. I repeat myself again. Create an option over here, a button here, whereby when you click, it will send it to the report broadsheet. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll add a little bit of date and time to it. So go and do that for yourself. Put date and time, okay, on the system. Thank you very much. Also, after you are done, send a screenshot to us on the platform so that we see what you are doing. Thank you.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.